Margin trading means borrowing assets from the system to trade with margin, amplifying both returns and risks. It only takes 1 minute and 4 steps to complete a margin trade. Let us walk you through it now. Step 1. Switch to your margin account. Log into the LBank website, open the trade page, select a trading pair, click Buy, and then tap Margin to enable margin trading. Step 2. Transfer funds to your margin account. Once done, go to the order page. The system will default to the margin mode, cross, select Limit, and switch to Auto Borrow. Step 3. On the order placement page, set the price, quantity, and amount. Click Buy and double-check the price, quantity, borrowed amount, and position change information. If everything is correct, click Confirm to place the order. Step 4. Auto Repay. If you want to take profit at this point, go to the trading page and click Sell. Select the Auto Repay option, check your order details, and confirm the order. The system will automatically repay the loan and close the position, completing your margin trade. However, risks are also magnified. If your current position risk ratio drops too low, a margin call alert will be triggered. If you fail to top up margin before reaching the forced liquidation threshold, the system will automatically liquidate your position. After liquidation, the assets in your margin account will be reduced to 0, and the risk ratio will reset to the default value of 9.99. If you need to repay manually, you can go to the settings page and click Repay, select the token, and enter the repayment amount. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Start margin trading. 2. Configure margin trading settings. 3. Margin buy, auto borrow. 4. Close position, auto repay. Just 4 simple steps to boost your trading power. Want to learn more? Start your margin account now and start your margin trading journey.